This small studio is built in the garden of a house in Okinawa and is inspired by the concept of Hinpun, a traditional buffer zone that protects privacy. The studio functions as both a workspace and a buffer zone between the main house and the city, maintaining a balance between openness and privacy. Designed to create a harmonious relationship with the environment, the studio is equipped with large sliding doors that allow flexibility in connecting or separating the space from the city and nature, depending on the mood and weather. The goal is to provide comfort for the occupants while still protecting privacy and maintaining balance with the surrounding environment.